Christopher's walking attempt on video.
Ready? Okay, go on.
Come on, Christopher.
Let's again.
Come on.
Go over there.
Come on. Just watching. Oh.
Down we go.
Do it again, Christopher. Come on, you're doing so good.
Good job.
Yay!
Good job.
Yay! That little smile, that was cute.
Did you do it?
Here, turn around, try to go the other way.
Alright, you want to do it again?
Come on, come on, Christopher. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on, silly goose. Come on. Push that butt back in. Push that butt in. He's trying to turn towards me. Yay! You hit the couch. Yay! Good boy, Christopher.